Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Vanessa here. So today I'm going to be doing a look from my January BoxyCharm box. Like I mentioned in the video that the unboxing video, that I will be creating a look from all the products that I got from this box. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take my brow pencil from IT Cosmetics. It's the Brow Power pencil. This is one of the items that I got in the BoxyCharm box for the month of January. Alright, if you're interested in a detailed eyebrow tutorial, you can go ahead and check that out. I'll have the link of that listed in the description box down below. Alright, so yeah. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Alright, next I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn I'm applying this to my eyelid. This is just to serve as a base for my eyeshadow and for my eyeshadow to last all day. This is something that I always do. Yeah, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it with some setting powder. This is just so that the eyeshadow or the concealer doesn't crease and all that good stuff. Now for my Morphe 35C palette, I'm going to take that shade right there, and I'm just going to blend that back and forth within my crease with a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. This tutorial should have been a talk through, but it's just a talk through gone wrong, so I'm just here doing a voiceover for it right now. So yeah. Alright, now I'm going to take that shade right there and I'm going to apply that within the crease as well, just to deepen the crease, to give it some more definition. Shadows. From Crown Pro, I'm going to take their Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. This is also an item I got from the BoxyCharm box. And I'm taking that shade right there. And that shade is in Rebel. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take black metal and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm just going to blend it in along with the first lid color, which is Rebel. And then I'm going to go back in with the second transition shade, and I'm just going to blend out the two shades so that I can have a smooth and nice transition. And then I'm just going to pop on some lashes. I normally don't remember what lashes I'm wearing, but when I do remember, I will put the information in the description box below. Alright, now for primer. This is one of the other items from the box, and it's the luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt, and this is just to make my brighten up my skin so that I can look more glowy. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and then I'm going to take Revlon Colorstay in 400 Caramel, and that's going to be the foundation for today. Alright, before I go ahead and blend out the foundation, I'm going to take my e.l.f. color correcting stick to, just do a little color correcting. I'm trying to achieve a flawless look right here, so yeah. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out as best as I can. Alright, no, I know I look a little weird and the foundation looks way too light for me, but I'm about to fix that. Yeah, and then I'm going to go ahead and do some highlighting with my LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn. I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, cupid's bow. You all know the deal. And of course, I'm blending with a damp beauty blending sponge.
Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do some contouring. I'm going to be contouring a little bit different today. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm going to take that brown shade right there, and I'm just going to, you know, apply some of that right in the hollows of my cheeks, just right where you see that the natural contour line. And then I'm going to also take some of it around the perimeter of my forehead, you know, just to give my face some more definition, you know what I mean? So yeah, and also I'm just going to blend it under my chin, or under my cheekbones, or sorry, under my jawlines. You know, I do somewhat have a double chin right there, so I'm just trying to, you know, get rid of that. All right, so I'm just taking my little time and just blend out the contour shade. You know, I don't want it to come off as being harsh. Alright, and as you can see, I'm just, you know, trying to blend everything in together. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my contour with the remaining concealer that I have on the sponge that I used to blend under my eyes.
Why are we so ashamed to be alive?
Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and set the highlighted areas with my Sascha Buttercup setting powder. And as you can see, well, as you can see in this video, I'm not going to be baking today. Reason being, I kind of like how my under my eyes look when I just, you know, apply the powder into the blending stay on for a while. It makes me look less wrinkly. All right, so I like the look that yeah, so far. All right, so again, I'm just setting all the highlighted areas.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker.
Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and set all the other areas that I didn't apply any contour or any highlight. You know, just so my foundation doesn't move, it stays on my face, you know, and all that good stuff. And of course, it's MAC Studio Fix in NW45. And I'm just going to take that same powder to contour my nose. You guys know that I don't contour my nose with any other powder other than my face powder. This is just so that, you know, I eliminate any harsh nose contour. Alright, now to set the contour. Okay, next to set the contour, I'm taking Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm taking those two shades, and I'm just going to, you know, set the contoured areas. You know what I mean?
Join the army of the shadows, going harder. We are more than numbers, standing in the shade.
Alright, now I'm going to take my Pure Cosmetics brightening and bronze and brightening palette. I'm going to take that shade right there as the blush. I was trying not to be too heavy-handed with that blush because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I just didn't want to come off as looking weird. So you might want to use a light hand. Now for highlight, I'm taking those two shades right there and blending it in. I'm using Afterglow and Bronze Glow.
Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
So I'm highlighting the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, and also my cupid's bow. Now going back to the eyes, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild black liner and I'm just going to line my bottom waterline, you know, just to give my eyes a little bit more drama, even though it already has a lot going on. And yeah. Now for those two shades from the Morphe 35C palette, I'm just going to take those and blend on my, I'm just going to smoke out the black liner. You know, once more, this is just to give the eyes a little bit more drama.
Don't look behind your back.
All right, now I'm going to go back in with that eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Pop Rock, and I'm going to apply that within my inner tear duct area, and I'm just going to also drag it a little bit onto my lower lash line.
Join the army of the shadows. Going harder.
All right, now from Tarte Cosmetics, I'm going to take that mascara right there, and I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lashes. You know, once more, a little bit more drama for me.
Louder. We are all one color, standing in their way.
All right, now for lips today, I'm taking Girlactik Beauty Liquid Lipstick, and that's in Demure, and that's going to be my lipstick for today. All right. Alright, so yeah, and if you guys want to know how I did my head wrap thingy that you're seeing there, I will have a video on that coming up soon, so stay tuned. And that is the finished look for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.